Squeeze 20 milliliters of fresh lemon juice into a tall, wide glass. Add some mint leaves without the stem. Now we add 3 teaspoons of white sugar. We crush the leaves very gently. We add 50 milliliters of good quality white rum. We stir well. We add crushed or cubed ice. We fill with soda. We stir well. We add a few dashes of Angostoras. We stir well. Finally, we decorate with a slice of lemon and a sprig of mint. If you liked this video, subscribe, share it and give it a like. Thank you very much and see you in another video recipe.